Joe. Smoking Joe. What do we got here? We got a 30 Model A?
1930 Model A pickup.
Hauler.
It's all steel cab.
This is cool. Now, did you build this baby?
Yes, I did. It's my first attempt at metal fabrication and body
Really?
work.
So I mean, you fabricated a lot of this stuff?
Yeah, about 85% of it I built myself.
Man. So, I mean, like you did the bending and all that?
I did the bending, made my own tools out of pipes and...
Really?
Yeah.
Wow. Boy, you do nice work, man.
Well, yeah, I'm a carpenter by trade, so
Yeah?
I think I had an eye for straightness and roundness and stuff like that.
This is really cool. So she's a steel cab, right?
All steel cab.
And how about fenders are glass?
The fenders are glass, front and rear. It's the only thing that's glass.
And it wasn't this long, was it?
No, I put the 12-inch extension on it. The old Model A's, there wasn't much room in there to drive.
And you're a big boy.
And you know, the older you get, the bigger you get. And so I found a back window, opera window, out of a 28 four-door sedan that matched the body line, and I shortened it down to make it look good and added the foot onto the cab.
Wow.
And then flush mounted the doors and then also suicided them.
Oh, did you? Nice, nice. And you did all this?
Did all this.
That's really impressive. Now, you know, something I noticed earlier, it's these real subtle, they're not even ghost flames. Your flames are really wild. How'd you do that?
Well, what I did is, I've always loved ghost flames, but I've never seen anything that you really had to look at them to see them.
Yeah.
And what I did, a friend of mine is an engraver. And
Yeah.
I had them engraved before we painted it.
Oh, okay.
And then we taped it off and put a little bit of pearl in it so that when the sun shines on it,
that's...
it really stands out
Oh,
nice.
I like it a lot. And you know, these are fairly massive lights. That
Yeah,
didn't come
they're
with the
not
Model A.
original. No, these are off of Peterbilt.
Oh, really?
And the only reason why I got them is they bolted right up. It had the wiring in it and it had the turn signals in it.
You're a lucky man.
So
how about these guys?
Them, I made them just out of a piece of 3/4-inch pipe, double compound cut. Welded a little washer in there to hold the bullet light, and it looks really neat at night.
It does, man. I love it. I just love it. And then you did make it for comfort. I see it. You know, it's you can move back there. You can get some space.
Yep.
What's is that bird's eye maple?
This is bird's eye maple. Like I say, I'm a carpenter by trade. This is the very first thing that I did. It doesn't do it justice in here because the sun doesn't shine on it. And we've got tilt telescopic Corvette steering in it.
VDO gauges.
All VDO gauges, correct. We've got air conditioning, DVD player.
I just noticed that, the DVD player.
Well, I sent my wife in for a dome light, and this is what she came back with. And then I've got all my switches up here for all my lights.
Oh, dig that.
And that it works everything.
That is really cool. Nice job, nice job.
And of course, you got trucker, you got to have air horns.
Well, of course. I mean, it wouldn't be right. And was it a hauler when you found it?
When she bought it for me for our 30th wedding anniversary.
How cool! You
And
got a good woman, man.
Yeah. And it had a tow package on it, but it wasn't. You didn't notice it that much. It was pro-streeted, and when we decided to take it apart and build it for more comfort and dependability, then we just.
So did you do all the diamond plating and stuff?
Yep, did all the diamond plating.
Yeah, that's cool. And you put dualies on it, huh?
And I got duals on it.
I like it. BR549?
BR549.
What's the story on that?
Hee-haw, years ago.
Yeah.
There was a guy on there named Junior Samples. Everybody knows who he is. He used to sell used cars in a cornfield. And he always said, if you want to buy a used car, you call me at BR549.
I love it. Well, man, I love the look of this thing, and you've chromed out, the hook and everything.
Yes.
I mean, and where did those come off of?
These came off of a 2006 Yamaha motorcycle.
And so they have red LEDs inside?
Red LEDs.
Oh, that's a great shape. What a good eye.
Yeah.
That's a nice addition.
It is. I get a lot of compliments on that.
Wow. And I just noticed Colorado. Do you
live in Denver, just east of Denver.
And you drove up here in this?
We drove, yes. It's our third year, and I've got 15,000 miles on it.
Third year for the truck?
For the truck.
Really? Now, have you ever been to this show before?
No, this is the first time we've ever come up here.
It's kind of a cool show, isn't it?
Oh, it is. So far, it's great.
I love the setting in Fort Casper. It's really nice. Let's look at that engine.
Sure.
Oh, so you got a blower too?
Yes.
Holy cow!
I've got a L82 Corvette 350 with a 144 B&M blower. It's just a small blower, but it's still for looks more than anything.
Well, and what's cool is you don't know it's a blown engine.
Yeah.
You got the subtle look and everything. Can you hear the whine when it's going though?
Yeah, just a little bit. Not like the big ones, but Good enough.
That is really cool.
You know, a lot of people ask me how come I don't show the motor, and when I look at the truck, I go, why?
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, you know, there's so much to look at anyways.
And how does she run? She runs good?
Oh, it runs great. We've got some highway gears on it, so at 70, 75, it cruises very nice.
Oh, man.
Very, very nice.
This is a really great job, and I'm just really impressed it was your first time out.
Well, thank you, Dennis.
Man.
I appreciate it.
Joe, excellent work. BR 549.